So this is how we file a bankruptcy dispute with the BBB. This is a 24-hour collections removal trick that we're going to try out, see if it works. We're going to take the consumer's name in the email. So we're going to go to bbb.org, file a complaint, company. And on this particular account, we're going to go to see who we're the portfolio. This is for, okay, so I didn't say who the original creditor is, but so we're definitely going to contact portfolio recovery. No for everything. Consumer's name is David. Just going to put the email, phone number. Okay, Capital One Bank. Let's update that. Okay, Capital One Recovery. So, phone number. I'll leave the address as optional. Don't have to include it, but we do need the zip code, so we're going to copy and paste that. Copy the notes here. Basically, what it's saying that you're not liable for the original creditors, and then you don't have an account with the debt collecting company. Recovery. And correction, the credit report desired. We're going to go to other, remove item. Now we're going to upload the copy of that report, of the collections letter, actually, sorry. Upload. Continue. Check everything off. Dispute has been submitted. The copy. I'm going to save it as a PDF. Okay. So I'll save it as a consumer's name. Be complaint. Okay. And that's it. Now, history, clear everything. Whole new complaint. Start all over again. That's all.